Hello, my name is Kelly from juststartwithkelly.com, and in this video I'm going to be discussing the results from my scan due to needing further refinements after my initial Smile Direct Club treatment. Now if you go to my blog post that is linked below, I discuss more about the process of requesting refinements, and I'm just going to use this video as a supplement to show what my newest Smile plan looks like. So a little bit of the backstory. My original plan, having been 6 months, left me with one tooth still a bit out of alignment. This tooth right here. Though it was much better than before, it wasn't quite where it should be to be considered straight teeth. It needed to push forward a little bit. Therefore, I ended up needing to request what is called refinements within Smile Direct Club. So this is the scan results from my scan for requesting refinements, and you will get one of these when you sign up with Smile Direct Club and get either your scan or your impressions done, and they come up with your Smile plan. As I reviewed my refinement trays, I noticed that they seemed to not be addressing the issue that I wanted them to address. So I viewed this scan, and this is what it showed. First, this is the tooth that I had concerns about, and this is my Smile plan. This is the progression of my Smile plan. Now, if you notice, it didn't really move. And you can also see in this view, the teeth that actually moved were these two teeth. They pushed out forward a little bit, and these two had a bit of an angle change, which is fine. Here's what it's projected to happen. Show that one more time. Okay. Now, again, this tooth really, if you keep an eye on it, really does not move very much at all. So what they're wanting to do in this new plan is to have these teeth push further out, which is actually okay. I had noticed this during my treatment, but it wasn't really that big of a deal, and I was pretty much satisfied with the way they looked. So this is going to make my smile even better, even though it didn't address exactly what I wanted it to. So you can go to my blog post, which is also linked below if you're not already in it, and you can see what I'm going to do about this particular smile plan, the trays that I received, and what I'm going to do to get this situation further corrected. Okay, thank you for joining me.